This is how Netflix architecture works. First, it consists of front end, which is user side. This is what you see and interact with. It consists of mobile apps like iOS, Android, Swift. Netflix apps on your phone. Second, it consists of web. Netflix website is on your browser. Third, APIs and graphic QL connects the app to backend services. Basically, it's the interface where users browse and watch shows. Second, backend, server side. This is the engine behind Netflix. It consists of services like Spring Boot, Eureka. It handles requests like login, search, and recommendations. Second, databases like Cassandra, MySQL, CockroachDB, CV Cache. It stores data, watch history, movie info, etc. Third, messaging. It handles real-time events like notification, data streams, recommendation. So basically, it makes sure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Third is streaming. This is how videos reach you. It consists of OpenConnect and AWS, that is Amazon S3, CloudFront, Elastic Transcoder. It stores and delivers videos globally. Second, it consists of Transcoder, which converts movies into multiple formats like HD, 4K, mobile friendly. So it ensures smooth, high quality video payback anywhere. Fourth, big data. Netflix uses data to improve recommendation and performances. It consists of data storage, that is Amazon S3, Iceberg. It stores massive viewing data. Data processing, that is Spark Table AU, analyzes user behavior to suggest shows and movies. That's why Netflix knows what you might want to watch. Fifth one, CI/CD, continuous integration and delivery for development and maintenance. PagerDuty helps Netflix engineers update, test, and deploy new features quickly. This keeps Netflix always updated with new features and bug without downtime. So in short, it has front end, what you see or use, that is apps and website. Backend powers everything like services, databases, and messaging. Third one, streaming, that delivers video to you. Fourth one, big data, analyzes user behavior for recommendations. And the last one, CI/CD, helps engineers improve Netflix continuously.